In this video, I will guide you how you can create a Pokemon Go trainer club account. So start by opening up your Pokemon Go and then you need to simply click on new player, which is the second option. And now you will have four options. So you need to simply click on Pokemon trainer club and then click on continue. Now this is going to open up a new window where you can add your username and password, but we need to first create our account. So simply click on create an account. Once you click there, this is again going to take you to a new window where you need to start by selecting your country and region. So simply select it and then you need to enter the year, month and day of your birth date. Once you do so, click on continue and then click on I am sure. Now you need to enter your email address and confirm your email address, and then you need to click on continue. Now you need to simply scroll down and make sure to click on accept, and then you need to enter the screen name if you want to. So let's go with any random name as an example. So I will simply go for this one and then click on continue. You can also skip this your particular step, otherwise you need to simply enter the username, which is the most important step, and enter your password and then click on create account. And the next step will going to be entering the activation code that is sent on your Gmail account. So I will simply gonna open up my Gmail and now simply copy the code that is shown right here, paste it just like so and click on continue, and we have successfully created our account. So now we can click on return to login and now simply enter the same username and password, and as you can see we have successfully logged into our account. Now simply click on allow and there you have it, we have successfully created and log in to our Pokemon Go trainer club account.